The script explores the advanced plumbing systems of the Minoan civilization, thriving around 2000 BC on the island of Crete. It highlights how the Minoans engineered complex drainage systems consisting of terracotta pipes, sophisticated guttering, and flush toilets, primarily seen in the Palace of Knossos. This system allowed the Minoans to manage clean water supply and efficient waste disposal, a significant hygienic advancement for that era. Additionally, the narrative emphasizes these infrastructures as reflections of Minoan priorities in public health and urban living, showcasing their pivotal role in influencing later civilizations' water management. Through this unique aspect, the Minoans demonstrate their profound impact on ancient infrastructure innovation,